Hello kids, welcome to KiddosTV. Today we are going to learn alphabets. We will be coloring all these alphabets from A to Z. Let us get started. This is
A.
A for
Apple.
apple. This is
B.
B for
Ball.
ball. This is
C.
C for
Cat.
cat. This is
D.
D for
Dog.
dog. This is
E.
E. E for
Elephant.
elephant. This is
F for
F. F for
fish.
fish. This is
G.
G for
Jug.
goat.
Goat.
This is
H.
H for
Horse.
horse. This is I.
I.
I for
Ice cream.
ice cream. This is
J.
J for
Jug.
jug. This is K.
K.
K for
Kite.
kite. This is
L.
L. L for
Lion.
lion. This is M.
M.
M for
M for
monkey.
Monkey. Monkey.
This is N.
N.
N for
N for
nest.
nest.
This is
O.
O. O for
Owl.
owl. This is
P.
P. P for
Parrot.
parrot. This is Q.
Q.
Q for queen.
Queen.
This is R.
R.
R for
Ice.
rabbit.
Rabbit. Rabbit.
This is S.
S.
S for
S for
sun.
sun.
This is T.
T.
T for
T for
tiger.
tiger.
This is
T.
U.
U.
U for
U for
umbrella. This is V. V for
Van.
van. This is
W.
W. W for
W for watch.
watch. This is
X.
X. X for
Guitar.
Xmas.
Xmas.
This is
This is
Y.
Y.
Y for Yo-yo.
Yo-yo.
This is Z.
Z.
Z for
Z for
zebra.
zebra.
Thank you kids for coloring all these alphabets with me. I hope you liked it. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.